Metro, right?
Yes.
Now, issue ne by YE. You say this bright AJ or your YE staff, and more I didn't cocaine me. Can you confirm, say, or your more staff? And also your more employees.
Sinagovi me chawa na pe na me chia etifo nyina a omuti akoma 87.9 FM.
Yes, at will be a story no refi, but over Facebook page. Last week, any this bizarre moment of a city guard or then a nine sat ni bibia able to butu dreadini ewo the Central Business District of Adum. Assembly by some Kessie, Assembly is automatic committee, but why you for about out with their position on that? Because they say, or a YEA employee are why attach it to the KMA. Maminti Ubema. So then it's
Yechia Obibia na Yamobia a chance so na Yenyanum Kodoko supporters and so Omunka Makumantu Muyam. Football there, sir.
Ha, me how nya kotokoni.
Oh, me kotokoni.
Ayo.
Mr. Centrania ameka a good hunsem.
Yo.
Before say giving the best ebobon ya catch rom. Since 1974 up to date, there is no instance a Ghanaian club, a Burkina Faso club, every in Africa interclub competition.
I see.
Yeah, ya catch rom.
Tinya dia be possible zenka kotoko tinya. So history is repeating itself. Wow.
Senior also share even your national team simple. The last time a Ghanaian national team a share Burkina Faso any qualifier 2005.
Okay.
Yabo World Cup qualifier Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And yes, I tembi Baba Habia almost share, especially Umbo Kumasi ha.
I see.
That's
interesting. So
This
is no news.
No, yenumbi. Sina Wadaroma 1990, 1991. Malik Jabir Eddie Asfagi Ninga Eba Kumasi Sports Stadium. Na sa enisu no kra na enede yi better than enrade so
I see
it's unfortunate
okay
Burkina Faso ba voodoo e wo yeso nti dia kwisi no.
Wow, interesting. I'm happy you are giving this bite.
Oh sorry yaka
nti na mu bi nyi ni da so sekotoko betime wi.
Honestly speaking na me ni ani da so and at all the time on be share Kodoko Kumasi be almost share penalties.
Oh, okay. I see.
Kadiago issue Kodoko penalties 1974 Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
Yes. As far Gininga issue Kodoko penalties 1990-1991 Kumasi. Ironically, that day Omo munim penalty ball Kodoko nyina bo penalty ni se no.
Oh, okay.
From Maso ball se no, Immanuel Ampere e ball se no. So enye idea ya de foforo.
I see.
So
why on this assault ayeshe Akojamai, get me the video. 87.9 Kumasi. Yes, this is a bizarre moment. Ghana for angry. Why for officially we are informed about this incident?
Who and I met the first time I met Thursday anopa. Na free Accra ba na me juma home kakra nsa na masora ko office. Me director or subin sub metro. Or sending me message and or say wate say you discussing or akomaha say ye beneficial back on. Onokra no onim po say sa beneficial e shenase.
Okay.
So what is a beneficial back on abo bomb maybe was Central Market. So the only reply I made them and say and I'm sending a message and be saying, does we still have beneficiaries?
Okay.
Question I may be saying, and I made it die. Enti nyamisi and kanko na minim the stage said that na adeno empempom so etie.
Okay.
Man to me I'm full because I think we don't have it.
Okay.
Beneficial. As we speak, and then they starting new recruitment.
And then I'm starting YEA recruitment.
New recruitment. CPA, NA, your friend is a community health assistant.
Okay.
Until I mean, say you need any beneficial until now, me mention me a discussion be now. We report about my office. And me cast on my office staff on about any income. The mudin come we. And I call back to office and I'm office staff and catch him say wo video no very bizarre nemu we say boy na or yes I don't know or amokum.
Okay.
I'm say really amokum and now straight away and imagine about that young man also.
Oh, okay. I don't know what you mean so.
Because minim say onu kwa ni nipa owo within amuku a o ye bema na waka e wo KM ho no.
Okay.
But enu kra no sa aka no. You see homamu a den. People are not helping matters.
Are they?
Because first of all, said assembly is any. Somewhere around 2018, 2019, and a dem mayor, you were also CPA, a trocrata at the bre, your regional director. That time there, Nelson Usu answer. Say, why you for your more money per 100?
Okay.
Community police answer, your more money per 100. Now, I'm from complimentary
FM 87.9
city gas no.
Okay.
No more money decongestion exercise. No crony, ye sub metros no more Kumasi no. Saturday 9 sub metros no. And a year, and I did mention of any south account na 10 and OBRD nipa 10 by. Fortunately for Brighter J, na nipa 10 na omu free subin elkono.
Okay.
Now account Saturday me was subin as a director honum.
Okay.
And your metro director then is on a regional director say Chumesi. And all can say ni and I in ID microphone no buy and no money came from
FM 87.9
now enticement na mkrano money
Because of say Omoko KM.
omoko KM because bosom person week person say no more 30 cities or 60 cities every week.
Every week.
Nipa 100 no. But later
In addition to almost salary. And then why for mutu
you
almost
400 Ghana cedis
a month.
400 Ghana cedis.
YEA. 400 Ghana
400
cedis.
Ghana cedis.
That is serious.
That is ya hold in a
Hey. Minimum wage krenu.
Ebro
400 cedis.
Ebro no wage.
Okay.
Yeah. Nti eduru on na ka kire o say see
FM
ana
87.9
mayor realize say dwumedie portia o pese nkora na ebedi e wo KM no omo flat twi emra no nti yen withdraw
Okay.
o say si bi asem na me satam na Nelson Uso say free was a regional director na you say Chumesi abaye regional director na me nsuma abaye metro director. So me makeme for no efre omo e wa parade and am ka chom say mayor so ono muntimi nya adwuma biom enti obi invest back to the sub metro o free.
Okay.
Satam na no ko say na omo so ati ababe 60 because na ebi mu fee say dwumade na keme for no e de omo kodi e wo dwum no enya ade a omo pe especially titu man a omo wom no say e bro mu nnuane arade enti dido na atwe omo ho efrim. Into one I'm catch so be invest back to the sub metro. And that W na wo came in. Ono catch me say omo onkora na bia omo bo ohun mode. Into nkebe a yen retain nipa 10 emfama omo.
Okay.
And I'm say omo nko no mo nko chokrata no mo list nipa 10 na omo peno edin emfama me. No mo nko mayor na mayor hu say omo KM city garden and a request for the return of the nipa 10 now or more can. Into omo this letter and buy. Na nipa 10 fortunately for Brighter J, he was the first person on the list.
I see.
And I made a copy call my original director and also okay. So came a phone and the request here there. Me making sure say nipa 10 no. Ombe juma wo. Ye ko ye nim no. Na mo hu say
Yeah, be asem.
oh, somewhere around 2020.
Okay.
2020.
More far YEA for a contract near how many man?
2 years.
2 years. Okay.
2 years. But when we are fortunate, you have automatic renewal of another 2 years.
Okay.
You have automatic renewal of another 2 years. Into your coin, and I'm say, yeah, the term sheet bar, beneficial term sheet bar say enter. No more say term sheet no attract 10. I got 14, 16. It will be at 20. And I'm saying no. This is not the earlier agreement because me minim say nipa 10 per and the war KM. Into head them man equal 20. Me call and I'm sa call the unfortunately ma koto the deputies senior your friend saying city guards ni bi ma me panyi bi wo on also human face I'm saying no. o yes me fan say nipa na extra no wa bɛka ho no omu nya adwuma o YEA wama YEA etu omuka membo enje so nipa 10 ne kro mo okay me no ma disband o mu nyina obi anko back to the submetro na technically ye any beneficiary bia ye dey na attach KM obaba ejuma no na nipa 10 no emu bi ehye KM tax force atade
okay
no mo nam me so bi di to omonim se me da so me hu se oda so wo KM it means woni YEA enya adwuma biom me mpene emma wo metro your friend said o director na say wo MAU officer bia enter wo term sheet biom so omo am hu omo no me feel say na omo contract nso yampo no I think na they prefer KM adwuma no
okay
more than your friend is saying YEA DAC Kofi see now what am I say me friend Kofi
oh that's okay so na your friend me Kofi
me but send me this stage be two of beneficiaries are no mu free tafu omo buy your friend is saying KM asort to nyem clear here wo mu say this is not the first time
okay
two of the beneficiaries all mu free tafu eto omo nsa e wo driver bi so e wo your friend is saying zoo enim
I see
yes you say ono community police assistant no achi driver na say wa yam fum so na wa charge driver na 70 cedis driver na antiment o so ni sika 40 cedis nta ento kwa bono
wow that is serious
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
every system no
every YEA system
no mo me frɛ tafofo me catch me office staff say me catch me regional director me regional director catch me say asam no emboro me so I should handle it so me vacate omo from post me frɛ tafo junior omo director o me catch say man enter omo time sheet biom omo bo political figure bi din say no office no me say me mfa ho omo ba me office ba koto nsa wo me so yes me chantro I say abayejuma na enti enye sa dia sabi sani pakro no o timi to nsa wo so
I see so we need the free list
no that am gonna me o pese chinchina KM ho no o pese o ye adwuma am say no wo KM for am for adwuma enti wo ko ha enye yi enti on ti ase me ka so me ma na adwuma wo your friends KM o do on ti ase wa wo nua kuma Frank Dodu I was say
not more original
no
that
87.9
so me vacate omo the next moment in fact is it last week Monday and week me ba adwuma na sa two guys no mo she KM city guard atade omo wo parade KM for the mo
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
o my official notice the ma KM say wa vacate
omo nim pen ade answer me catch omo I told them me ya say yeah ho sa e wo omayin was a penny officer also or institute discipline also in discipline and this acquire in discipline now
wow
enti bra say they see no enti wow so hwe even
it be ba 70 serious no motimi anya bright agye
na mesi en kan as at the time as he was not our beneficial
na onye staff
onye case why you beneficial
na so mo engaging nkokrafo sa mo employ nkokrafo sa so we nyini
yeah acting HSA Ghana ni owo 80 efie edun otwen ko eduasa enu
nti papa we eduasa no
me enye me na because of our interview out na panel na police
no why just watch the man therefore the law is that between 18 to 35 so share papa we were 35 years Okuja man get me the video I me person me who's that video no papa no why 35
see that
no I mean you are the boss catch them
87.9 Kumasi
oba
papa yi ya na batwe asia ya wo kunkon why 35 huh
me just so 35
so then
we have it we did
and why are we deceiving ourselves papa we him 35 years
because one they see senior omo nyina ba ye fa mu say a afa application no mo ba interview a police and a interview because police na train no for 3 months.
Okay.
Into police no mo ye friends say interview. Ho no me need to me bi a ho. Na ma ko kire say we
when you boro sa
when you boro so and I say onye boro sa. Say onnam Kumasi mountain so you could see some of them are ultimately say clearly we know. Ni age na odi adwuma no. Any di nti o boro so. But you can fa na wi. Oba da akwa ye friend say aka ho asem. Because a young man contractor me ntimi ka say so this oye ade bia meji this a violate the court conduct and sana machima enenaka oh enti asem ne buy in fact Thursday me friend me regional director I no ka chem say or come monitoring but what issue letters e dey ama all affected agencies you know mo ye adwuma say community police assistant enti mo bia no mo nya adwuma bio in fact asem ne see empo na me nim say police ne di ni PA abonten Emma asem no kosi na me nim say eke me
momra no what can they do and what can they not do because halfway check driver's license halfway JJ so what is it
sina asem no community police assistant initially they were to be positioned within the community omufrim
that is the council
now almost portray your friend saying small criminal activities and I say criminal activities then technically now inform police then police taking over and me no ka say senior minim say police emma beneficiaries arrest
I see and that is against
BF no it's even against police mra it's even against see that's what we say it is against how can somebody who is not a police officer go and do arrest
we have citizens arrest
but no a different
okay
abra police I instructed I dey handcuff I dey move busy on go chubi mra citizen arrest see na say unkuta handcuff
no
me ye born na say more than say me I say wetin so me now you don't need to put in an handcuff because
yeah
and then beneficiaries ebi obi
so handcuff no man
some of the benefits are very very disciplined
yeah
very very they be am say me opportunity a nanka wo say ebi mu for police a ka me ye ama ebi mu nya kwanya for police in fact police institution na ankasa I try etimama ebi mu enya recruitment into the police service because of more discipline ebi mu say rasicant
I see
obano unnim ni suban this or strategy man sebi ye kan say senior wa oji tum say police ankasa any Ghana military service ankasa
Kerr made the statement at the Abba, and that statement is from Kaefri Omo, the coordinating director, and or issue that statement. And in fact, statement and say condemnation or condemn management of Constitutional Assembly, the serious concern, I raise serious concern, conduct of one brighter J, a personnel of a year phase out community protection. Agency. A personnel of the phased out community protection model under the YEA who was attached to the KMA who was attached. That is,
who was phased out. So on what capacity?
And now Moma and
yes,
so
phased out.
the despicable act happened in the Central Business District, precise a place of a popularity known as Mampong Road, Edum. The act involved an assault of a female hawker, which was captured in the video by bystanders and has since gone viral on social media. Management condemns the act and disassociates itself from such an unwarranted behavior. Meanwhile, management has taken decision to set up a committee to look into the matter to enable us apply the appropriate sanctions. As a matter of fact and measures, the assaulted woman has been sent to the hospital for treatment and has since been discharged. It is honest to note that the Assembly do not support such conduct and behaviors, and since staff of the KMA are guided by the code of conduct of the service. Kojo Akuamwa Boatin, Metro Coordinating Director. In fact, statement came before Eddie Abanon. So, they are confirming say the model no phased out.
So a sebio
And ono onyam worker and at the time or assembly hono na muntu na kakra.
David or where your friend say I didn't mark came any day. Say yeah na signing.
And no contract no would have been.
You know contract to 30th of August.
I see.
In fact, no crow woman say
Akuma,
no more contract
87.9.
30th of June.
Okay.
And a more 2 months contract extension.
Okay.
I will say 30th of August. By 30th of August, by 14th of August, near issue communique. I suggest to say you no more contract.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nationwide. So me are so much surprised about Nipa Sebio. So nam person be out of respect and YEA so say din abamenti na ya fa hon cry ye ka say because me gidi say came matter and a criminal matter so a criminal matter that we YEA we don't want to associate we are not associating ourselves with the act of and the conduct of
and Abrantian so munim no baby
yeah as we stand we didn't even baby Maybe you all right.
But for now,
but see Debbie. Oh, she know where won't mean no. Or a former employee. That doesn't mean that or a employee.
This is our way.
But I don't know.
You don't know where he is now.
Me mean him so but I don't know where he is now.
Into our reside wa mukum here.
Yes. It's a my admit is a minimum.
My main fact calls bear 5 on this story. 0322498035, 0322498036, 98037, 98035, and 0243114497. On this issue, very quick one. Why you for Addis Asuchi to among from? And this is the situation. Good morning.
Good morning, Black. A friend this morning, Makasafi Sevilla.
Mamintio.
Black. I will say, you can't answer me. I will reduce a cow of Ghana, man. You're paying for it. Be a mimi this morning, Cafe Grano. The chain, the only Casawa video, the say, be a chain penny. But a new chess, if you see, I'm a penny chain, Ghana, my moa. Piano about the Amica piano. Yen penny for ya GDA, ya papa. A dead difficult day. Monsieur police maybe, you ma boom to an animal be a betia, maha buying baby. But yen penny for never be core, a young someone can maintain. You pass in a year, Juma, a wild Edima buying, Edima Ghana mine. Na yen fine, Juma. But now on the 80 money, applying to punishing in any way. Now you could see the last time I made to drive and you call what PM in that walk, take your own with your my voice that day. When Uncle Single Sen called the PR, the Johnny free because of so 124 with him. But no kind of Ghana dancing, I'm saying Ghana dancing. Then said, you are showing your AC.
That's it. Hello, good morning. Yeah, Minia.
I was sure when I can say,
Mamintio.
But you said, Razak and
Aye.
Okay. Let's say, all the Atamno Ama, Daniel always say, you're better to go.
And your pa.
Ama, that's the man. Razak, I bet you all my workers is 15. Oh, say a buy here, Coco Bass, you need to say one money. Near the Razak, what I have to move to Mammy. Some of these are not. If you Razak is giving for prayer, if you all that and for news this year, if you say that, almost age wise now, no different any panel. Papa will blow and that's what they say. Also, no to mean go away. Okay, Mestre and oh, the Briagumo. One police is one in the number. And they over a do one of the CIA. What would you know? Who may be a woman you know? I can say, what would you do the same? As woman you know, your police wages the CIA. wɔn nama wɔn kyi nkɔfoɔ ne n'asefo sisi yɛ eti sɛ wɔn adwuma wu no sɛ nya adeɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn yɛ adwuma di bi wɔn ako bi wɔn yɛ no wɔn nyi wɔn fi kwan so na wɔn sɛ fɔta ne si yɛ ba bɛ fɔ wɔn yɛn ni yɛn fɔ saa nkɔfoɔ no na wɔn yɛ kɔ ne si yɛ na sɛ obi di adeɛ kɔkɔ obi ti mi po eku na saa ta no ma bɛ sɛ o wɛ deɛ n'ɔnkɛ yɛ wo wɛ deɛ ni baabi a saa ta no nipa no wɔ fu obi awie.
Okay, Mbedasi, good morning. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Hweni.
Oh, okay, to say.
Amiado.
Okay, Tia Maharaji.
Mami Tiominia.
Without the power, no would my power, a book, not American, on Yamin County. What is the Kabia say? What came a boy to know? And no more, therefore, must say, share o man, a human who. Kakra won't sway the form of Jumas, would be a mouth of my we and send Fata. What you say? Share. Udru Abu station. Now, we are texting for Ejinano. I say, your friend say, Aboboya, 3 times, I did a set of free, Pragia, more. Mata, some for 4 years, Cordinatior. A Juma, minim, the time to lay a 4 word Juma. Shall we are? Who can't, so watching on the year. What about I have to Nadia which I didn't mean. Who call a Roman Hill down with here? Or buy almost a 2 or more, I bet you, or more, or dear. And they see another more information say, hey, neighbor operation, or more mumma. Your more, you buy a neighbor Tamunema, or not so Corunu, dinner me. I didn't tell what I said. Into the Tony occupying a doom. Now I forward Juma, no we are Jumanua, and to know a Juman know this we uncle. Until coffee, you best throw Muse. So in occupying, I do not say forward Juma. Memphis, Mra, and for show some Anna, you say, maybe tomorrow I walk about Kusikai. A Kurafo, or Kutakuta, 2 days or Kuma for noon, let's say, one day, or Komokronua, our job, young Kunu, what you say, met your lawyer, Vansamonqua.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
What is your black man fashion you?
Black man, Mammy Team.
Na Kofi
87.9 Kumasi.
And you may cost for Fijitia and Central Market, Kofi, and Yin and Yin Kofi at a taper in your man in your man and droppers for no film. And yes, and get to the sea report in Siaga. Kofi, we are no we crowd you really Munketona about Montano. And you will move Fumuno. The sinner saying, Minam Watana, Yadima may be fisher, water, no more fuel, and you came medical. I don't know about that. And then, and one more take a month for thee, will be a for Juma, would the idea for sure be too poor over. Your
report to be the Abrams say brighter day free Amokum Ahimfie. Good morning. Okay, went to me so right. Okay. 0322498035 98036. Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, for what?
Radiadum.
But your 2 p.m. meal.
I'm into you.
I saw more Santiman Pong. I'm a original chairman and a question.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Your water sewage and Yakra coffee and so to toy and nothing so at toy. O coffee at the Chepan, the Susana, you or Hopa coffee. I want to supply my pony and put them in and cracking in a shoe. For those that make us a year to Abano, I'm going to you the cheese so. Or more bad a coffee. Now, so I coffee as a one and so catch it. Yet, actually, and so a cocoa baby, supply my pony, through the other and 24. And I MC. On to one among my coffee. Now, Regina, but I took out them all.
Traffic light, association.
Traffic light, you know. Oh, coffee not here before I have what you may add day. Yeah, for most of them, for an answer for most of them. Obi Mane, I don't have video on my last week. What you have for the chairman and Numina Trimoja, ye pa mo se mo mabu amanfo ananse ye pa mo se mo mabu amanfo ho bai eno so ye dey Ghana mra de se bi die hia ko ogobi Ghana mra CPA me na meka e die hia ko sikani ba no kobo na obi kani ba no kobo na aka be bia asamna du ana MPD ba ana se GC ba no kobo na ana o ma me ana bibi akoko fi be bia asamna ye du no abba Ghana.
Okay, but I say Yemfa the last caller. Good morning.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
We Pacific Tech. Because you say, na say mate ni driver issue by ya omo ku yakeme that you say no be so munyo be so musiburu no.
I see.
Last driver be who say Yaruma Hill at the home at the gas station. It's a good way to talk to work from nowhere no be a
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, good morning. Yeah, morning. Hello, morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, morning. Oh, Minia, I'm sorry. When you're ready, time no so call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Santoni Mamintia.
When you're ready, I'm ready. Eliana, no, Penina Samoa, what 2 hours canoe, maintain you. Or say, Gano, when you came in here now.
Also, on your YEA, ni unim the into came for keeping or go more time or so.
Now, you're Kennedy.
No be a chino.
Then you better not see you over here. And someone working in a maintenance here. What do you say? I need to know the money. Yeah, Penona did not farm at Aquaswa. I bet now when you came in, when you don't say Ghana, Janaba. And said, one last 2 years ago, I said, I quoted medical doctor of Falache, but why did also 2 years and said you would. Oh, if you were my estimation, Kawin and City and City, when some can move baby or different baby, they were able. Yes, say you were in a way of work in Unisecano. When you never major is now the woman.
I'm not also the move.
Adrianaba. Ni baby face for the bush any when not fighting a care and be a good Janaba. And tell what my ass, one for more empty and some phone was as I came to be known. And so they didn't move you. What about the sea? Now you know what's holding them.
87.
Okay, hello, good morning. When you?
Adrianaba, Kofia Santini, Kofia Santini Moatio,
Krufa, Mamintio.
the Fenayam Ponsa, Krufa in Fibo, Dr. Oseo Duchum, Minister of Education, the Manamoni Juma. Minister important more the Wabako, we are feeling. Now, Katachi, and I know Kajitia to me, I'm okay. May we have hope, papa. I don't city guard for the Anamondi. You, mamma, Babu, see, do it, no, you now, one hour as you so. And now, Bruba, Bessiapa, Tiano. Now, the Babu, a mountain and a tower here, no more Jina, is the Ghana, they will be who and one here.
Yeah, the camera be trying to come.
Yeah.
But I say my young wrap up with a cause. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, morning. Hello. Right. Observe a higher comma 87.9 FM. And of course, it was so
87.9 Kumasi.
Razak,
Akuma FM.
won't take this issue.
Since Motam Esson any.
Okay, Timomo the notice
the official notice by on the 16th of August too.
Say money will be a terminate to be a contract.
Terminate contract, no, but contract now running out.
Okay, that's a money or more and with the contract. For now, you better blame the care minimum for
kitchen America say. It's a came for Ankasa Ejitum Ewomulet and say he was phased out. On what capacity?
And I'm that's
keep came a didn't quabontin, Emanukoye Juma. Emma de buy on what capacity? How does YEA come in to take some of the blames? Uncle, that's why me beneficiary. Ebi anka me lead the police mama police akwakoche.
Okay.
Because as someone habesi say, em family hu.
Akoma.
You go mo no mo wie adwuma.
Na atade na ehye no na enya official YEA atade.
I came here atade.
No. Atade bi ya wo no mu so omunya hye. O se atade na wo se a so Ghana police e wo atade so e black.
Aye.
But e chire no wo se a community police.
Okay.
But that is not our official atade.
Why na ye ma o?
Omu ton e wo your friend is saying. My understanding is omu ton tama na omu ye friend is saying. Training. And omu ton e wo police service. That is my understanding.
Inti Ghana police I na go.
Won say Ghana police.
Logo no.
Won. So when cry na my was there. We inti Mr. Only I will be a huno. And then YEA na say e kwache no. That is not how did you. Even YEA staff a committee crime say your friend say Ghana police service no also omoche no. And yes so inti came for now ma de me say omo na de ne kwa abonten oye de oye enso emfata ampo o ma lead edi oba na akọ hospital then na came ya afa can they call for his arrest and Iti yesrepa
Akuma FM
issues like this why sabi wa wunim if you say CEO your former CEO up to ene CEO fu fry afọ no onim say Kofi sounds sabi enso so.
Okay. Razak, mame na wasi anope. I think we would get more update from the KMA. Na yehu. But JB, we had contact with the gentleman anope. And information I want to say from Amakum Ahimfie and we ran checks. We've had discussions. Oh, friend, what's he saying?
Yes, Kofi, my friend Anope na my friend was say your friend na nanka yent na hanu moke kani yepe. In fact, okay we are not drop a call. No. Mr. friend back be one fact. So that is the update all honomu. Now I don't know whoever gave him that information say yetiano mo say yeke cancel. But na
said the why any eka.
The way no see kasa no so na before super.
No me bo. Said the why any eka.
Yes.
E di pa uja na ha na yebo. I mean so ukọ ba bi na yebo din ya uja no ho na na yebo. Enti ora brighter J. I know say uti ano pay. Because am kom information ban say we biem no te radio no ho uti. Mr. J, mama nka we nkyerɛ. Obi a wufra himfie na wunim dey under no circumstances na pani we
were for years anto
pani etesa wo bedi sansam we enye wanya wagu anim ase sabe wo wayire wo ma wo nti enye esu a esa wo da na di be pani a watifi edusa so very bad nti eja ya tran na yekeka obi anka hwe ne wo ye no ene yeka anopenti dimpa na uja no assembly ho no ene ye bo obi anya wo hwe edin a wuja no hono ne yebo Evans dey asem
Kofi, I am so disappointed in KMA.
Nothing.
I am highly disappointed in them. Say obi etimi aye your own one of your own guys etimi aye obi ma me say video no I go viral. It's calling for an arrest. Is that guy bigger than Ghana? Is that Brighter J? No, bigger than you see. Do you know what they are doing? What they are doing is that, and I'm imagining. Last time I was saying this. Say, eti Sabio. Say, Tafrache. Me am zongo for fancham. Eti say zongo nibina obo ne mami say ya. Or that's what in
now they will have to be.
No, you see, they
will be forced to defend themselves.
Me, I just want to believe. Say. A year police commander, not regional commander, a year Mr. Mpianim, because video no war. And the assurance was that Omobeche
what you
I was very so much disappointed.
I saw my issue statement and they are just condemning it. Chemos is a justice and security convener. Openika say, my memo achemo akwaba Emra Kuma FM. Baby Abokodia. Good. The last time I knew didn't come on.
The mayor of the
Metropolis coordinating director ne
the last time I would didn't come with you told us say you've just been told of the video and what can you tell us as a justice and security convener KMA?
Me that said the Adam Shamo Bono say media assemblage me pepe na aiding kind my main family words of sympathy ne encouragement and fama onuaba na we victim no isan say asem no a rehosem papa temi edin ya okese na sakra na mo frame ebisame no na metro coordinating director create the kind of video no send metro security head Madam Beatrice Emma Beno Kase no the highest disciplinary measure, even to the extent to say, bueno, you better terminate an appointment with came, you know.
Mebo, Mammy establish we, Monsieur or your YEA Atachi,
or your CPA, community police assistant. Did you know you saw it yourself?
No, meba, so, almost
city guard.
No, meba, almost so contract. So, on what grounds, and I'm that's why, a different contract as KMA city guards workers, Anna.
With that, I cannot confirm or establish it as I'm speaking with you. But
so contract ben. So for now, contract ben I'm better terminating. No.
Kofi, medasene in Simbisa way I will be sano. Now said the Medika Kayano. Nyamani be over, you would agree with me, say when you preview with data, you don't speak about it. What I've realized is that this guy all this while has been working with the assembly.
And the main fun is that you don't have much information to this effect.
On that particular guy, I don't.
I see. Because why Atachi and as community police for 1 month now, for 2 months in your contract, they supposed not to have been even with you. Unless otherwise someone will make a different arrangement. So
I will take the responsibility upon myself. Now I'm delving into this issue, whether he's been contracted to work with the assembly, as we are speaking this morning. And me personally, I will give you the needed information in order to buttress this point.
Until what can say you will terminate the contract? No, what contract now will terminate?
I said assembly no together with the metro coordinating director are taking the stringent measure of the highest order. Said that you be to me at discipline. I did not use the word terminate. Answer you said one of your panel no say I was say arresting. Discipline measures is one of those things.
Senior. Yes. There is a criminal offense, assault, and you don't talk about this. And a different aspect. You say there were 3 issues to this. There was civil suit. I initiated against the man. Then the criminal aspect. The state versus this person, accused person, and assembly na taking it on. Then we look at the disciplinary aspect. Assembly no because okay, say yeah, stand or contract will terminate 3 things. Then you are telling me
Adam say you are jumping the gun.
I am not.
Assembly say terminate. Or say a procedural arrangement that we need to have. I'm telling you this morning, I will take the pain upon myself. Once you've called me on air, I'll go straight to coordinating director this morning.
Wait a second time, Meba. This is the second time I'm in Okasa. Last week, I said, here. Okachrem say you were the Utu one among. The only thing we've seen a release to condemning the issue from the KMA. In that statement, also they are to set a committee. That means a committee in Communion Sate. A friend on Baba set a committee. Justice and security convener. Dear Namoya Wohon on this issue. People are angry.
Sarah the TLC. Michelle Bower Fidesu said, now what you wait by the middle of the week, you know, Mobati and on this issue. We are not going to support this issue.
Anopay Afre Ura Brighter J. Nebua Fukra can not to sue if you ought to ayampia say radio for bonidin. On tears, yes, a ye bonidin. a kyerɛ sɛ wadwa tam a kyerɛ sɛ yɛapɛ towel koraa na yɛde huhu no ho wɔ fie sɛ nana wodeɛ kafra nana kafra ɔso kyerɛ sɛ wadwa sɛ radiofoɔ bɔ ne din so
Kofi sɛ onim sɛ nipa yɛwɔ su awodo obi wɔ hɔ a ahobrɛaseɛ su wɔni bi wote aseɛ obi wɔ fom a wɔnim samafo meka mepaatwɔ anaa mema dibem nipa yɛwɔ asase so bebree saa na suma ne teɛ me amfa me ho koraa no hwɛ the way a mesi ne wo kasa
87.9 Kumasi.
wote aseɛ enti ɔno ne yɛmfa ɔno ne deɛ ne nka hwee na mmom deɛ meka ne sɛ by the middle of the week ɛna anɔpɛ a medu came a mekɔhyia coordinating director together with the metro head if there need be MC they are share exactly what as the assembly is doing in order to put a stop to this indiscipline. After I said him di kai ni nipa no involved. Yeah, Mr. No pa chichen re. Na mi gidi say be ye betu no so na mampu. Why?
After someone in the call hospital, no more update the condition for now.
Mini Kofi. And I don't pay mini.
Moses Anope, I am grateful.
Medasipa.
I'm for a higher 87.9 FM. Yeah, be saying Orache Moses Namoten and Kano. Kwabna Century, any Abrafra. Kwabna, minimum exactly what you want to say, but as a former NEDMO coordinator, yeah, you may want to make a point, but
Kofi, so on the level of impunity.
Oh, come on.
Kofi, MS we a lawyer.
I'm not a lawyer.
No, fine.
I'm a law
you are in the process of becoming a lawyer.
I'm a law student.
Yes, sorry, you are in the process of becoming a lawyer. Sorry, Chief from Panchami. But Kofi, we share a year pictures, videos here. Very horrible.
The woman was
pictures.
bleeding.
Yes, bleeding. Video we say that TV3 the toll platform so within some short we say number 60 something thousand views. Meaning say across the globe. Ubia share the Ghana and for that matter Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly ebeye. So just say a brand channel that got to hold ADD.
Sadia we bet me am foreign donors.
Absolutely.
Because say
investment
eco sign.
Yes.
Sister city arrangement with Dallas United States of America. And in fact, so who say
they won't come in
assembly no
in a full ground
mo workers bro no mo bro
absolutely and we so maybe akeko the Central Business District
mama nko kwabna senchiro kwabna
Kofi
anope me hu course mama ntio
yeah now mamentia CPA youth employment for almost anti-mamuha. But who say omo very highly competent institutional and the omuli desinina.
I see.
Now I'm really disappointed in Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly and the Miami Moses Obekasai. Kofi, when you nyamisem. This is the time where I was a mameno came a compensatino because a branch Onikrom on his own. He was representing the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Say Moses, etimika say obehwani asase dia. It means the guy is still working with the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly.
Oh, I no pen wa kase wo afa no mbe na the contract or ma terminate. In fact,
and me can say only wada. But on one kasa no, he's not on top of the issue.
I know that is the case. Onimni oka.
Kofi, mesremo. Mama maameno me nimni de me buy no na say issue na see o say na see o maameno enko lawyer upon ho e wo ministries legal aid when we say aban e wo lawyer for kunini a wo mu wo ho a wo mu di onibie asema wo onko legal aid na legal aid enfa keme any abranche no enko because based upon the Moses akano enko na Kofi wini bibi Honorable Moses mini nyina atena assembly hone ya che wo de wanya kwanya no asamba biom as a government appointee there is no committee so ewo assembly where a discipline enipa more than a public complaints committee being headed by the presiding member Metro Guard commander no now produce that guy no at the
public complaints committee being headed by the presiding member.
Brighter J Ewa Amakum, and we just told sir or Amakum or I think Amakum him fee and I pay your friend also. More matter hake can you pay you a fin more friend and teacher in the book say I'm friend in them and yeah.
Brighter J, were you right? Because Mammy no need come for. And I came as who said, Mammy ni come for Tino. They are not going to do anything concerning this issue. Now, Kofi, one I'll carry near Sassican Western normally at the Adeno. Omudemu America 20 years, 30 years because of Omumoleste and Kwalani and Ma. And I'm telling you, sir, some video way. Ebeko came a website and investor be a person only came a when you see this, he will never come and do business with Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly unless the punishment resurrects. Now everybody to see say came a bomb mahubai. Kofi Mestre came any assembly biaka came. There is no committee. Mamincha Minka your friend is saying Mr. Kuyamabwate. Quickly, one Patrick, presiding member, they should hold that guy. That guy too. Complaints committee. Now, any part the contract as CPU so more contract with the assembly in Asano. Assembly is still engaging for the cheap labor, they should hold that person responsible. Now, Mamino, baby, they should quickly give him a pata to compensate here. Either than that, the woman should go to court. Kofi, arrest my case.
Okay, I think if we have you're taking up the issue as Ghana, and I'm important team, and we're going to seek justice for this woman. And I can promise Matthew for sir in the next few days we'll be the legal action you take it because maybe how we don't want to talk about it until is matured. But Evans, very serious.
Kofi, I don't agree with Governor Century. I don't agree with him. This is human rights. What Bunipa no nipa ne say nim dia no. Sorry, I say na o nipa na patanya me fasa mo medical doctor. Oblidi wo ye nim dia no. Yenche nipa no ote ho no. I mean, who is he? Who is that Bright J? Who is he? Is he bigger than KMA? That is what I'm saying. KMA omuni lawyer na. No, if I want to ask. Omuni lawyer. And so Bright J is bigger than KMA. Or you so big, say, or you even bigger than the mayor himself. And a mayor in what is the mayor doing? Now, Omunim say, I do a war rippling effect.
A serious implication. And in fact, let
me tell them. So, the video of the guy abusing Obano, moja oozy out of her face, go viral. So they are saying, maybe no munim. Go TV3 platforms and read the number of platforms. Yes, Akuma FM so platform. No, go read the number of Nipo ma share Akuma FM. Akuma FM platform. And read the number of Nipo ma share sa video no. So they are saying, now do obu share wia, tenase, no mo free committee, no mo num tea. So they are saying, no mo wia. The most disgusting thing. Last week, I did assembly CPA on Friday. A branch and echo parade. Me call came in. Oh,
really?
Oh, yes, what's echo room? Yes, I didn't cook room.
You saw him?
I saw him. Parade. Echo parade. And I'm going to cross down the payroll that was all. Echo parade. Me say a branch and no such a KMA. Winning a branch and no such a KMA.
Wednesday. Thursday he was on parade. Friday he was on parade. According to one of my office staffs, say, gentleman, about my office on the back side. He called him. I'm on the side of the story, and then your boy.
So should we say an assembly in support of the
who had the assembly in support of it?
Because the idea we have that's why parade. Then
we almost support. One more pepper, near me, cause your friends say, Edumufo May, now ye Jom near Mania Tia, one more, and my emoji from ask me, one more support to papa. Because almost support what? And Casamri, I wasn't Cabranti and Brighter Jana, they say was such a mayor, was such a your friends, a metropolitan coordinating director. was so chain your friends came me lawyer no on so chain no akasa on so chain omo a akasa me bright again ko mache no it is a come me bi no a o ma me bi o came me ho na senka o ma me bi e na sa brante we aye ni say ya it is something ka o betra asem no so
very disturbing
Kofi
very very disturbing and me are more than disappointed than disappointed therefore just 1 minute now me ba there's this video one kasa yes we are done with you
unia kuma akosi afrifa
okay
now if you did them now or the English side of the multimedia no but gospel you know or no pay minchiao.
Oh, okay. It's
one of our corporate friends officers.
Oh, okay.
Afina, yes, I said about Kumasi.